Okay, so if you're having trouble installing LibGDX, what you're going to want to do is put in all your settings, and somewhere in your project folder, create a little folder called GDX. It'd actually be named literally anything, but I would just suggest naming it GDX. It helps if you put your setup in your project folder. It won't actually show up in Eclipse, I swear. Proof. Yes. And then select all the features you want. These are the features I wanted. And I only wanted to do stuff on desktop because I'm going to be using WSD and mouse controls. Because I want to remake a game I was making in Unity because I literally just hate Unity. And also Unity is completely uninstalled. What I should check is if all my files are still a thing. You know, like my tile maps and my player models and you know, the important stuff. I literally don't care about the tile map. It's fine. I just... Or not the tile map. No, yeah, that's the right word. Oh god, wait, both things are called a tile map. Oh shit, dude. Not the tile map that you see in game. I'm talking about like the tile palette. The tile palette. Yeah, I want to make sure the tile palette's intact. You know, 'cause that would be nice. Probably not. But whatever. Anyway, so then you're going to hit generate. I've already done it. Once it's done, it should say to import into Eclipse, file import Gradle project. To import, yeah, you get the point. In any case, then you open up your, you know, the workspace in Eclipse after doing all that. Or, hell, really, you could have opened it beforehand and just hit refresh. Not much would have happened. Like, probably nothing would have happened. Then you're going to want to go to, you're going to right click in here, import Gradle, existing Gradle project, next, and then you want to, you know, link to that GDX folder you made. And then hit finish. Now, everything should pop up, but if you're not using Java 7 or Java 1.7, whatever you prefer to call it, then you're going to get two errors on the core and the desktop, or really whatever else you have. And this will say Java SE 1.7 instead of 1.8. You're going to go to Properties and change it to 1.8 for both of these. So you see how these are good? Now, when you go into here, do not edit this to 1.8 because that might actually cause errors. Now, if you've done all this and you actually have set it up, which you think is correct, and you're still getting an error, it says like, you know, line 13, class doesn't exist, or some garbage like that. It should, you know, this error, if you're getting that error, really, what you're gonna want to do is, you might have started running it as a box 2D build. You're gonna hit run at, or actually you're gonna want to hit desktop. Maybe you could probably hit core too, but just hit desktop. Actually, you most definitely can do core because if you're not doing desktop, obviously. So then Java application. Okay, so I was very wrong. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to right click on desktop and you're gonna, or not right click on desktop. You're gonna want to just click on desktop, run as Java application instead of a box 2D build. Somewhere in this list. Mine's at the top because I've already done this. It's going to say desktop launcher. Now, desktop launcher refers to this Java file here. I'm like 90% sure it does. And you do that, and oh look, it works. Who would have thought? Wow. And that's because now you're running it through here, or through here, and not through anything else. You know, if you spent 12 hours trying to figure this out like I did, and I couldn't find help on any of this, because, you know, the programming Discord was not helpful at all. Like, they were actually trying to help, and then I was like, I can't get this set up, I'm gonna go to something else. They were like, you obviously did it wrong. You absolute buffoon. They weren't, like, mean about it, but, like, you know, still felt dumb. So... like, you know, that was interesting. Anyway, you know, you didn't get much help. this is good fix. This is how you fix it. In the description, I will include that little snippet of the error, so that way if you type that error into Google, hopefully it'll pop up this video. I hope. And I'll also, kind of explain what it is in the description, stuff with LibGDX, try to get relevant tags, so that way this pops up so more people can see it. And, this is just the basic little bit. Now, if you're getting this as an error, what I would suggest doing is either deleting the .metadata folder in your Eclipse workspace, or, like, at this point, you probably haven't gotten very far. If you have, just delete the .metadata. You're going to have some things messed up. Like, don't really worry about it all too much. But you can, delete the .metadata, or you can delete the whole thing and redo everything. Whatever really floats your boat, whatever works for you. I'm not sure if deleting .metadata would work to fix my problem here. I don't care, because I am not working on that anymore. That folder is literally dead. So, yeah, anyway, little thing here. Boom. So, that's how you set up a LibGDX project properly for Java 8 or Java 1.8. So, epic. Now, if I went a little too fast, type in the description, and I will try my best to get back to you to explain things a little more slowly. Because I did kind of run through it, because, I started at like 12 o'clock, and now it's like 11. Yeah. Man. Yeah, I just love LibGDX. I actually had stuff to do today, and then, yeah. Now it's kind of fucked. It ain't happening. So, probably not gonna get anything done today. I might set up the tile map system, and a way to move around. And then that's it. Maybe a small tool to help me build a tile map. But that's it. Hey, Keith, I'm go, because, oh my god, this fucking sucked to do in every single way ever conceivable. If there's something like Pickle for Java, I'm gonna just... So, the Pickle is a Python tool that allows you to just throw data into a file. It's just great. You just do pickle.dump, and then boom, your variables or your list is just thrown in, and it's godly. And it's just all the bytes, dude. It's great. It's epic. If there's a tool similar to that for this, oh, hell yeah, my guy. I'm making a small tool to add the tile map, and then I'm, boom, doing that shit. Because, my god, am I not adding in every single tile one by one, dude. That's just bullshit. So, yeah. It's gonna add some loading times, but, like, my god, it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna make my life so much easier. In any case, I'm gonna go. This was me ranting and also explaining how to set up LibGDX for Java 8. Have a good day, everyone. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and if you want more, or hell, just dev blogs, I can do that. Which actually, I was thinking of doing devlogs anyway. So this is just gonna go up unedited.